10 hacks to bring in $1 million. Are you ready to crush the myth that growing your business is a complex and daunting task? In this video, I'll reveal 10 incredible tips to skyrocket your business growth, even if you're a total beginner. I have used all of these tips myself, and I will include specific examples for each one. Stay tuned until the end to also receive my bonus tip. Before we get going, this is a new channel for me, and I'm working really hard to bring you quality content. If you could hit that subscribe and like button to show some love and comment what you'd like to see in the next video, that would make my day. Now let's get to it. Tip 1. Optimize your website and leverage local SEO. Let's start with optimizing your website for speed, user experience, and SEO. A fast loading and user-friendly website with amazing SEO, which is search engine optimization, will draw in more visitors and generate more leads. Don't forget to focus on local SEO like Google Maps if you have a brick and mortar store or local service. It's the foundation of your online presence. SEO for our company takes about 2 to 3 years to really kick in, posting about once a week. Google Maps is a little faster and doesn't have a ranking system really, but here you need amazing 5-star reviews. Our current views is about 45,000 a month on the profile right now, so it's really worth it. Tip 2. Network and master the art of storytelling. Now on to networking like a true professional. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with fellow entrepreneurs. Building strong relationships can unlock new opportunities and valuable partnerships. And while you're at it, master the art of storytelling to create emotional connections and make your business memorable. For example, really try to make friends with your vendors, customers, and employees. You never know who they may know, and those people might be able to provide immeasurable value in the short or long term. With a bank, there's a loan we're trying to get recently, and because I don't know the bankers that well, the terms were not as favorable as they could have been. So get networking. Tip 3. Offer stellar customer service and implement a referral program. You know what's a total game changer? Excellent customer service. Ensure your clients are happy and they'll turn into loyal customers who will recommend your business to others. Word of mouth is priceless. Consider implementing a referral program to incentivize customers to bring in new clients. For example, we have a $50 referral reward if you refer your friends or family. We also carry over 800 plus reviews and have an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars on our business. This helps our new potential customers know that we're trusted and reputable. It's vital. Tip 4. Embrace social media marketing and partner with micro-influencers. Now let's talk about the power of social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to promote your business and engage with your audience. And instead of chasing big name influencers, partner with micro-influencers who have a smaller but more engaged audience. They often have higher conversion rates and can be more cost effective for you. For example, we recently brought on a social media coordinator and it was an amazing decision. We've been able to grow all our employees' social media, and together, when you total up the amount of views and new followers monthly, it's extremely exciting. Best yet, we're getting lots of inquiries and calls from it. Tip 5. Use text blast effectively and automate your processes. Text blast marketing is alive and kicking. Send valuable content, promotional offers, and updates to your subscribers or customers. Just remember, nobody likes spam. Also embrace automation to streamline your business operations. Use tools like Zapier or Integromat to automate repetitive tasks such as data entry or email follow-ups. This will save you time and increase efficiency. For example, we use TextBlast to push exclusive specials to our clients on a monthly basis to help them save money and as a reward for being loyal customers. And it's wildly successful. Tip 6. Use content marketing strategically and leverage user-generated content. Spread the word with content marketing. Share valuable, informative, and engaging content on your blog, social media, and other platforms. Content marketing can help you attract and retain customers in the long run. Additionally, leverage user-generated content by encouraging your customers to create content about products or services and then share it on social media. This builds trust as people value recommendations from their peers. We have our clients sign social media consent forms and love creating fun and informative content with our clients should they want to participate. We also get influencers asking to promote us in exchange for additional discounts, and this is a great way we get our brand name out to their their following and their community. Tip 7. Master one marketing channel at a time. Avoid spreading yourself too thin across multiple marketing channels. Master one channel at a time and only move on when you're consistently generating results. Focusing on one channel ensures you can maximize your efforts and achieve better outcomes. Although we now have a full-time social media coordinator on board, allowing us to post on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, we previously really just focused on Instagram. This was a great avenue for social media marketing when it came time to promoting ads because we had so much great content to cycle through our promotions instead of just always promoting the same thing. Tip 8. Implement a win-back campaign. Win-back campaigns can re-engage lost customers, identify customers who haven't made a purchase in a while, and offer them an exclusive deal or personalized message. Reconnecting with lost customers can significantly boost retention rates and revenue. This can be a tough challenge. What we do is offer additional discounts on people's birthday and allow our software to reach out to remind them that we care. We also let customers know when their points are expiring, for example, they don't miss out on that, which would mean they're missing out on free money, and it works. Tip 9. Leverage AI for growth and personalization. Harness the power of artificial intelligence to boost your business growth. Use AI-driven tools like chatbots for customer service support or predictive analytics for data-driven decision-making. AI can help you better understand your customers, optimize your marketing strategies, and stay ahead of the competition. Also, use AI to personalize your customers' experience, making them feel valued and increasing the chances of converting them into loyal clients. For example, we use AI to help produce our email replies, blog posts, and much more, which saves us a lot of time and energy. More importantly, the artificial intelligences are able to highlight new ideas and opportunities for us along the way. Tip 10. Test and analyze your strategies. Last but not least, always test and analyze your strategies. Track your business performance, analyze the data, and make improvements. Stay agile and adapt to changes in the market. By continuously optimizing your strategies, you'll be able to maximize your growth potential and stay ahead of the game. As a special bonus, here are 3 softwares I recommend that you use for your business. 1. Hootsuite. You can use this for managing your social media profiles and scheduling posts. 2. Gmail and G Suite. You can have an email that's using your website URL and tie them to your Google Calendar, Google Drive, documents, and much more. 3. QuickBooks. This is crucial to track your cash flow, expenses, and to understand the financial health of your company. Put these strategies into action and watch your business grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insider tips and advice on growing your business.